It's February and it's Heart Health Month, and we have promised to give you some tips to keep your heart healthy. Hi, Danna and Robyn here with Lean Healthy Ageless, and we're also the authors of the Eat, Live, Thrive diet.
So, how are you going to decrease your risk of heart disease as you're aging? Well, one of the best ways is exercise. Yeah, you knew that, but how much? You're going to have to go to the gym every day and sweat and burn a bazillion calories. No, it actually can be quite simple. If all you did is 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity, like brisk walking, every week, you would decrease your risk of heart disease by 30 to 40%, and you would decrease your risk of stroke by 20%. 150 minutes a week calculates to 22 minutes a day.
Yes, I was going to say it's probably going to be much better for you than to be a weekend warrior and do 150 minutes on one day.
Yeah, don't do that. In fact, you're going to get better benefits spreading
Yes,
it out.
daily exercise.
Add to that 2, 3, even 4 days a week of strength training. Again, it can just be 5 or 10 minutes. Pump those biceps a little bit, work those deltoids, do a little shoulder presses. That activity, we're looking at maybe 30 minutes of activity a day can change the potential of you getting heart disease as you age.
And if you can't do it all in one 30-minute segment, break it up.
But think of this, not only are you going to decrease that risk of heart disease, there's so many other benefits.
Oh, yes, the benefits. Obviously, you're going to burn calories. You're going to diminish stress levels. You're going to increase energy. You're going to improve circulation. Your sleep is going to improve dramatically. And it actually helps with the minimizing bone loss.
And I'm just thinking, as you're saying all this, probably going to improve your sex life.
Well, that's true.
Just saying.
If you're feeling better,